Hello and welcome to Rita's Roost. What have I got here? This is my little pride and joy if y'all watch me sew the quilts. But I'm going to show you what's in here. I'm going to have to turn it around. It's Mona Carolina. I'm going to have to move it just a little bit so I can get her out of here so I can show her to you. Here's her foot pedal. I'm going to bring her out. Okay. Let's move that out of the way so I can talk about this little girl. I haven't had her for just a few years. I wanted her, and I told my husband what I wanted for anniversary, and he said, well, if you want it, get it. So I ended up with Mona Carolina. The lady I got her from is named Mona, and Mona had bought her in North Carolina and fixed her all up, so she was all nice and ready to go. So here she is at my house now. But I'm going to show you how to thread her, and we're going to sew just a little bit with her. Whoop. Move that microphone. Alright, I'm going to go on this other side. Let's get her plugged up here. I don't keep her in that case because I sew with her so much of the time. I'm going to have to get my extension cord. I think I forgot. Didn't I wad that up? We'll get it. We'll get it. Still tangled. Which one goes where? Rita? I'll get it. That wasn't supposed to happen. Now, let me see if it'll reach. I think that was the coffee pot. I've got her plugged up now. I'm going to turn the light on. There, you're going to have to come back on this side so I can show how to thread it, okay? He's coming. I've almost used up that little spool of thread. You know how much stuff I've made with that spool? But first thing we're going to do is we're going to wind the bobbin. Let's see, there's an empty one on here. And there's a little knob over here that I loosen, and that. Now I'm going to take this thread, and it goes from here to down here. I'll push that down. Got that loosened. Oh, okay. I'm going to put this in the floor so I can push it with my foot. Do you like my socks? There's a little button, and now it'll wind the bobbin without the needle going up and down. I'll go ahead and wind it all the way because I'm going to sew some. And if you show them the needle's not moving right now. And I'm on the kitchen counter showing you that when it didn't come off. And so it's higher than what if I was sitting in a chair. Alright, I'm going to stop that and I'm going to put it on the machine. I'm going to cut that. And the bobbin is down in here. I'm going to take this one out just so I can show you how this one goes. I'll pull that off there. And usually I'll put a little drop of oil down in there, right down in here to help her work more smoothly. Now, she's in there. Now I've got to thread this part. Now there's my spool of thread, and that's a good grade of thread. She's going to go around that tension. I'm going to tighten this back up over here and raise that up. Well, hold on to that thread. Put it through. Put it in there. Some of the new machines just have little loops and you don't have to run them through so much. You have to scoot back just a little bit, hon. He was getting close. I couldn't see what I was doing. Alright. I can't thread that one. How am I going to get it in the needle eye? Alright. And then there's a hook there. You hook it on that one. You hook it on that one. And then it threads and goes in the needle from this side. Oh look, I got it. Did better than I thought I'd do. And I turned the little flywheel here to bring that bobbin thread up. Alright, let's get a... If you've been watching my videos, you know these are some pieces that's on my little ABC quilt I'm working on. Now that's up in the back, I'm going to put it down. We're going to sew, get my... And we're sewing. Then she sews quietly. And that's the way that Mona Carolina works. Need to take her back over to the other side of the room where my little quilt's at. She's just my pretty little girl, and I'm just awful proud of her. Alright, that's it for me. Bye, y'all. Bye. Turn you off since